Subject A, reciprocating engines. Use the rated mechanics log to document your practical work experience for this subject. The custom tasks function records specific work you performed. For each task, include the aircraft or engine model, a detailed description of what you did, and the frequency, one time, daily, weekly, monthly, or occasionally. Link each task to the relevant work experience entry from your employment history. This connects your tasks to your timeline and shows the ASI where and when you gain the experience. If you're unfamiliar with reciprocating engines, review Chapter 1 Aircraft Engines and Chapter 8 Engine Removal and Replacement of the Powerplant AMT Handbook to understand the scope. Then discuss with experienced mechanics at your facility or other shops to identify opportunities to gain hands-on experience with engine removal and installation, cylinder work, valve maintenance, engine disassembly and assembly, or related procedures. Ask about tasks related to reciprocating engines that you can observe, assist with, or perform under supervision. Document any hands-on work you perform: removal, installation, inspection, troubleshooting, repair, or maintenance. Even if it's a one-time task, organizing tasks by subject helps demonstrate the breadth of experience required across ACS subjects and familiarizes you with the knowledge and practical exam content. Tasks you log here appear in your final report as documentary evidence of your practical experience for Subject A, reciprocating engines from the Airman Certification Standards.